So good morning guys. Today I'm gonna to share my daily routines. So today I starts my English conversations and now start. Today I get up 8:30 o'clock in morning and after that I go for natural calls and I brush my teeth. I took approx 5 to 10 minutes, and after that, uh, today I am not take a bath, and I go for breakfast canteens. I go with Ratnesh and uh, we all are go there and first of all today was in breakfast idli. So idli quality not very well, and also vegetables is not good. So only we uh, take our breakfast for live our lives, and after that I came my room, and after that I came my room, and I study approx 2 hours. I practice some previous year questions of digital electronics. I practice questions of topics names, multiplexers, combinational circuits. So approx 11 to 12 questions was in previous year paper 2008 to 2023. So I solved those questions, but there I see approx 8 questions was correct, and 4 questions I think 2 questions I not attempt, and 2 questions was wrong. So I see there one questions was very good quality questions in that asked 2023, and those questions quality very good, because if you assume that questions, analyze that questions, you can realize that questions is very good. But I cannot able to solve these questions watching without solutions, because I solved before 2 months before, and I forget some concept. What concepts use those questions? So question in those questions use concept was uh, select, as like suppose I have three variable a b c, and select from there bc. So when I select bc, so we can make these four combinations: b complement, c complement, and b bar c, bc bar, and bc, and c takes here a complement, and we can arrange that. So those questions was very interesting questions. And so after that my digital electronics, I move on general aptitude parts, because general aptitude is very important our examinations, because in general aptitudes asked by the examiners 15 marks. So I learned arrangement questions, ranking and arrangement, one approx 45 minutes. I approx 45 minutes, and after that I go for dinner. And when I came from dinners, and I rest approx 1 hour, and I use my mobile phones. I use my mobile phones approx 30 minutes, and after that I go for market for some words, as like I need some money. So I go for there, take my ATM card, since I took some money. I withdraw some money from ATM machines, and after that I go for shop. I want to buy some things. I like soap and surf excels, those things. And also I purchase their mixture because Ratnesh has chuda. So we we both are have chuda and mixtures. And after that came in my rooms approx 6 o'clock since evening time. Then Sasikant called me regarding chicken party. So I say him, I don't have money, so if you give me party, then I will participate, otherwise I will not participate. So Sasikant not agree for give parties, so I denied him. So after that I sit on my study tables approx 7:30 p.m. and I study 1 hours 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. I make short notes, formula notes. So after making formula notes, I go for dinners. And after dinners I came and all friends sit in together in a room and discussions uh, all irrelevant things. So approx 1.5 hours we waste our times, not waste because we are just enjoying and making funny, because Vikas Divigati sir always says we should approx 1.5 hours give for gossiping, because when we will gossip, so in my mind feels relaxed and not feels boring. So these all was my daily routines. And now it's time approx 12:30 a.m. So now I'm going to bed approx 1 a.m. So this was today's my routine. And see, I start today for learn English. And say I know in this video maybe lot of mistake and lot of spelling mistakes and lot of sentence mistakes and lot of tense mistake. So I know, but I want to improve it day by day. So today is my first day of this video of my English improvements. And this video I will upload on my YouTube channel. So if you want to take a challenge, you can also take challenge and you can watch my videos, and you can also practice as this like English. Because if you will not practice English, if you will not speak in English, if you will not listening in English, you cannot speak English. Suppose that I want to give you an example. When any child born, how when first time childs speak, do you know in which language? So of course you say the child speak Dutch language. Which language? His mother tongue's language. Because which language uses his surrounding? Because only child listens these words and learns one language. as like my mother tongue is Hindi, so when in my surrounding peoples, when I was child, so my surrounding peoples, everyone speaks in Hindi and I listening Hindi, so of course I will speak in Hindi. But some peoples belongs to Odisha, and Odisha mother tongue language is Odia. So his surroundings people speaks in Odia and his child speaks in Odia definitely because he listening in Odia. So this video is 10:35 minutes. So I want to close this video. So thank you.